Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can pay on DHL. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So generally there are three different payment methods for DHL Express service. So the one is via DHL MyBill. As you can see, you need to open up your web browser and then on the search box type in mybill.dhl.com/login. Once you do this, you need to log in into your account. After that, you'll be taken to the payment process where you need to enter in your credit card information and enter in the amount that you have to pay. Once you enter in the amount and click on confirm, and then for the verification purpose, you might be asked to retype in all of your information or recheck your details. Once done, click on continue and then you've successfully paid on DHL. So that was one of the methods. So the step number 2 is by using your phone. So for that, you need to contact a customer service and state about the issue. Once you do this, they will provide you an alternative. On the third step, you can pay by mail or cash or any check or any other convenient method. So in this way, you can pay for DHL. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.